To show the formatting marks in Microsoft Word, if you navigate up to the top toolbar and click on the Home tab, and then you can see there's a small button that looks like a paragraph mark. This is the Show Hide Formatting Marks button. You can toggle this on and off by clicking on it. This will then show you the different formatting marks, so for example where spaces are, where tabs are, returns, forced manual returns, etc. You can find a list of what these symbols all mean online. If some of the symbols aren't showing for you or you want more to show, navigate to the Office button in the top left-hand corner and then click on Word Options. You can then go to Display, and then you can see here where it says always show these formatting marks on screen. You have the option to show all the marks, or you can pick individually. Once you've picked the options that you want, you can then press OK. You can still toggle on and off the formatting marks by using the little paragraph symbol on that Home tab.